And it did just that. So now he say he don't want to pay me.
Damn, Sharp.
He said it's his money. And I quote, he said it's his money now. Between us, I've seen the messages, all right? I've seen the messages, and Adam was fed up in the messages, bro.
Yeah.
Adam told Sharp, bro, I'm going to block you if you keep on talking to me, bro. That's how fed up Adam was. Now, to be fair, you come to my place of business and you vandalize it, right? You spray paint my trash can, F me, and you throw...
Hey, well, there's some free game for anybody out there for Sunday. You know, protect you from them. And those are the ones who will try to take you down, the ones who don't want to see you win. I'm going to give you something to go home and try. Text people that you know fuck with you tough, you know what I'm saying? Text them. Ask them for $50. See who give you the money the first. See what they got to say when you ask. Then you gonna know who you dealing with. Or say your car broke down. Can you give me a ride? I need to get somewhere ASAP, bro. Can you come now? If you can't get nobody that was willing to come immediately, your circle not as tight as you think it is. And some people would say, oh, a lot of people be busy, this and that. Nah. If it's you, that's when people shouldn't be that busy, or they get even busier for you. Fuck it, I got a lot to do, but you my dog, I'm gonna make sure I come grab you real quick. You know what? My dog, where you at? Send me your location. I'm gonna send you an Uber to drop you off. That's what type of homie I am. I ain't gonna lie to you. But yeah, I was just sitting here listening to Sharp, you know, getting into it with Adam 22, and Adam don't want to pay him no more because he's actually butthurt. You know, he was playing in a game that he was never good at. Like the rap and all that stuff. He is mad seeing Sharp get all those views on that video, dissing him. It's starting to make him feel like Sharp is better than me. Oh, Sharp is better than me. Losing his mind. A lot of people like that around you right now. When they see you doing something, they start battling their head. Oh, I think he's better than me. I think she's better than me. Gotta watch out for them. You gotta watch out for them. Analyze and break them down. Break down everything you know about that person. Put it in the AI and ask the AI to help me identify the flaws and make sure that this person is actually a good friend, a good family member. AI gonna give you some techniques, gonna give you some psychology type of questions to go ahead and ask them to go on and funnel with. See how they pass that test. If they can't pass that test, you already know what you're dealing with. And right now, if somebody's gonna ask me about like some investments, I know a lot of people be asking me about like, what you investing in? What should I invest in? The only way you're gonna get that game now is if you subscribe to me on YouTube. The game gonna be here. I'm giving the game. I'm giving the investment game on my YouTube. But if you not subscribed and you don't like and comment, you ain't gonna never know about it anyway. You a hater. See, I would have been one-on-one giving you that game, that free information, but like, nah, it's not worth it. But I'm gonna tell y'all right now, you need to start looking at coins like Gala, crypto, Gala, SER, and XRP, Ripple. Those coins will do a major jump. The prediction for XRP for 2025 is $4 to $5. And if you look at the business methods that they're using, they make so much sense. That's why it's gaining so much traction. That's why it just hit number 5 on the crypto list as one of the top traded cryptos in the world, XRP. And the crazy part about it is it's only $1 and like 50 cents, 140, 160, something like that. Watch, as I say in this video, I'm gonna look back 3-4 years from now and I'm gonna be like, you told you so. That it's gonna be up at like at least $50, $50, $60 in the next 3 to 4 years, for sure. If not higher. If not higher. If it's higher, I'm gonna be like, damn, you was kind of talking down on XRP. But yeah, definitely check in on XRP, do your due diligence. I am not no financial advisor, so don't get mad at me if you lose money because you put your money in at the wrong time. That's not my fault. You need to figure that out. You need to start finding out, when should I put in? What is a price to put in? Once you figure out the price that you should be paying for that coin or that stock, that's how you know you buying something of value. So that's the biggest thing. A lot of people try to find a bunch of penny stocks, trying to make it rich overnight. Super fast rich people mindsets they be having. Like, these people be having these mindsets and this plan to get rich overnight or to get rich real fast. And they don't even know how to get rich at all. You just digging yourself a hole to bury yourself fast as fuck. That's all you're doing. You're just digging real fast and the hole is getting deeper and deeper and deeper and we wondering how the fuck you finna get out of there, buddy. How you getting out? How you gonna do that? Hmm? You don't know either, huh? That's what I'm saying. You need to slow down and plan it. This comes with a strategy. A lot of people not gonna like your strategy. A lot of people ain't gonna believe in it, so it's pointless to even be trying to tell anybody about it. Stay focused on yourself and continuously write it down. Write it down. If you come up with a new step, write it down. If you just succeeded on a step, write it down. Write about how it made you feel, how you was feeling before you succeeded. You know what I mean? Write this stuff down. I'm telling you, the best thing for me is like finding my old notebooks and I go and flip to a random page and it's something talking to me, the future me, from the past me. And it's a letter to myself that I barely remember I wrote it, but when I get to explaining the life that I was living at that time, it starts to get real clear. And I start having these weird feelings like, what the fuck? You talked about it at a time when you barely knew about it. And now, years later, you know about it and you do it. You spoke that into existence. But also, I didn't just speak. I put in work. I go read. I educate myself. I go find out what it takes to invest in a company on the stock market. Like how to break a business down completely. Actually finding out the saying, numbers don't lie. Well, once you figure that out, you'll see the stock market is the perfect example for that saying. Cause the numbers don't lie. Invest your money into something that's talking money. You get to reading on this company and finding out about the company structure, and it don't sound like it play with money. Don't sound like a money-making plan. Well, move on. Or write it down. Put it as a maybe stock. Write it down. Follow it all year. Follow it for a few months and see how they do with their numbers and their business strategies and their plans, everything they have for the future, their revenue, um, the circulating profit, the circulating money that they have in the company, and they cap, where they capped out at, and then you break all that down with their customer service, um, how, let me see, it's like, because there's so many different businesses. Say if it was a restaurant, you want to break down and make sure the restaurant always got fresh food, always got fresh fruit, fresh vegetables. It's ideal like Chipotle, they deal with the farms nearby, local farms only to get their vegetables and fruits. So it's easy for them to always get their stuff because they get a farmer that's in, they only put the business by a farm that's about like 15-mile radius or something like that, 15 minutes away. So they can quickly get vegetables and they can get everything that they need and have it fresh from a farmer. And then they have one of the best customer service. You call them, you have an issue, they'll fix it. They'll make you feel better. They'll give you gift cards. They'll send you a free meal. Yeah. And then you want to see what they do with their money. You know how like a company makes money? But what do you do with that money? That's when it comes to the return on the capital. You want to see what's that return they're getting on their capital. Ain't nothing like somebody that make money and know what to do with the money once they make it. Other than somebody who knows how to make money, but all they know how to do is spend it. I don't want to deal with a company like that. I don't trust you with my money. You're gonna take my money and you're gonna just spend it. I want somebody that's gonna take my money and they're gonna invest it. That's how I know I'm dealing with a superior company. And I know I'm at the right place. And then when I get to looking at the numbers and I get to breaking it down from all of the data sheets, you know, they're quarterly, they're yearly, they're 3 month, they're 1 month, they're 6 month, the year to date. Once you learn how to analyze those things, a lot of people tell you, you gotta be looking at the charts. Them some stupid niggas. Some of them smart, I ain't gonna say all of them, but majority of them are stupid. They don't even understand about a business. They just looking at a chart and guessing. Oh, it did this, it's doing the same movement, so I'm gonna, hey, but that can help you though, that can work. But wouldn't you wanna be in the stock market world, actually knowing how to break a business down and know if it's valuable? To know what their future gonna look like. I can't tell you how your future gonna look like looking at a chart. Oh, it went up, it went down, went up, it went down. How I'm gonna know your customer service is busting from looking at a chart? How I'm gonna know what you've been doing with the money if I'm just looking at the chart? It's best to know both. How about that? Know how to break down the chart and know how to break down our business like you be breaking them blunts down. You'll do well. You'll do swell. Trust me. Well, that was that free game Sunday. It's your boy Double S, and I hope your stress go to the wrong address. And for the ones that didn't listen, it wasn't meant for you. And if it never gets to nobody, that means God didn't want me to tell nobody. He wanted me to just do it. So, it's up to you. Information is out here. And I just gave you some free game, gave you a couple coins to go look at XRP and Gala. And if you're going to look at something on the stock market, you know what I'm going to say? NVIDIA. I love dealing with people who are top leaders in the future. And that's one of them, buddy. And that's for sure one of the top dogs when it comes to the AI and the future of tech, you know. So, Gabe's free game, that's 3 up. 3 money moves for you to go study, because I'm not your financial advisor. I'm just the guy that give free game. So go do your due diligence. Use some of these strategies I just told you about. And go break them companies down.